Presenting the Decke termite baiting system. Decke is an Australian company. And the first one to bring its patented termite baiting technology to India. Our baiting systems are available in 5 countries. Decke is now present in 8 states of India. Now, let's talk about the market size. Did you know that termite control in India is a nearly 1800 crore rupees market? And it's growing by 20%. CAGR. The growing and well-traveled middle class and their income is fueling the growth. People are now demanding globally new and unique products. Products that are environmentally friendly, kids and pet friendly, products that don't spill poisons. Basically safe products. There are about 10 crore houses in India that need a termite baiting system. The potential is huge. There is no product for the untouched garden termite market. It's a virgin territory. Think about the possibility. So, let's understand how termites work. Termites have a queen. They live out of an underground nest. They come look for wood, as it contains starch. Starch is their main source of food. Termites take food back to their nest. They share food with queen and other termites. Decke's system attracts termites. Once the termites come to the station, we feed them with small amount of active substance. They take the substance back to their nest, share and feed all other termites including the queen. And all termites are infected. The nest is eliminated. Most methods used in India are already banned in other countries. Decke termite replaces drill fill seal systems, ground sprays, and piping systems. Decke systems don't harm kids or pets, are safe for the environment, and there's no contamination to food, trees or water table. Decke termite system is very easy to install. Use the Decke auger to dig the hole. Just rotate clockwise. Once the hole is dug, assemble the baiting station. There is a special piece of treated wood. Assemble the donut ring. Place the cap and insert the baiting station into the hole. This should not take more than 2 minutes. The baiting station is ready to attract termites. Monitor every 15 days or so. Open the lid and look inside the barrel. You will see live termites in the station. This is what we need to treat. Pull the bait holder slowly and carefully. Try not to disturb the termites. The station is now ready to be treated. For termite nest elimination, just follow the instructions. Let's see how we treat the infestation. Take the Decke termite elimination powder. Read all instructions carefully. Mix the active ingredient carefully. Add water as per the directions. Mix with a stick or ladle, and make a slurry. Once the slurry is ready, put it into the infected baiting station carefully. Close the lid and the monitor again. Keep feeding till no more infestation is seen in the baiting station. Once termites have fed on your paste, and no more infestation can be seen, who can be sure that the termite nest is dead? Decke on-ground termite baiting station works on the same principle. Place it anywhere that you see or suspect termite mud or tubes. The termites are attracted to the special bait matrix, and treated the same way using the Decke termite elimination powder. Ant coffins are a revolutionary product in managing ants. That too in a natural and non-messy way. Just assemble the ant coffin as shown, and place it where you see ants. The sugar with an active substance in the ant coffin will attract and treat ant colonies. The ant colony is eliminated. All of us here at Decke, we sincerely thank you for your time today, and we look forward to working with you. We are here to answer any questions you may have.